I don't know if you guys have been following this whole selling slime at school with Ada. I have been totally against it. All right, you guys, so hold on. There might be somebody outside my door. Okay, we're good. So I'm hiding out in my room right now. Everybody else is in the kitchen getting dinner ready for the night, and I'm having a bit of a struggle. I have been totally against it. I don't think it's a good idea. It distracts her from school. It's not a good idea. When kids go to school, they should be doing school. They have enough time to focus on slime. Like, we make so many slime videos already. We don't need to do any more slime in our life. Last time I followed Ada and Jesse around town like a crazy person because this is all making me crazy, and I found them at the slime store. Well, we call it the slime store, but it's really the craft store. Buying slime supplies. I have not been able to find them around the house yet. I've been looking for days. There's one last spot that I'm gonna check. I'll take you guys along with me. But I found something very interesting that fell out of Ada's backpack today on her way to school. And I was gonna search the house today, but I got too busy and I didn't have time to search the house, so I'm gonna have to try to sneak around and do that now because we are just gonna be busy all week. This is my only chance to figure this out. But this is what I found, you guys, in her backpack. It fell out of her backpack as she was on her way to school today. A banner. And not just a homemade poster board. This is legit. Someone had to like help her figure out where to purchase this, how to purchase this. And how did she purchase this? A giant banner. This is Ada's Slime Shop on it. How did she purchase this? I'm gonna get to the bottom of it. I'm gonna find out today if they are having a secret slime shop behind my back, and worst of all, if it's happening at school. All right, so I just got off of the phone with Ada's principal. Yeah. Principal Longsleeves gave me permission to give him a call if I had any questions or concerns about her selling slime at school again. So I have his personal number, well, to his office, straight to his office. I can bypass the secretary. We're gonna call him right now. There's proof. It's a little blurry, but it does say Principal Longs. I'm putting it on speaker so you guys can hear.
Yeah, hello, this is Principal Longsleeves.
Yeah, hey, it's Tara. I don't know if you remember me, Ada's mom.
Okay, yeah, Tara, yeah.
So you had sent that.
How's it going?
I'm good. I'm just a little concerned. You had sent a letter home a while ago about Ada selling slime at school.
Yeah.
Well, you know, I told her not to do that anymore, but I'm getting suspicious. Have you noticed anything, Mr. Longsleeves?
Yeah, well, is she doing good in school? Good grades?
Well, that's not even what's on my mind right now.
I see nothing.
Nothing at all, because, okay, so this slime banner fell out of her backpack today.
Okay.
We don't know for sure, but I found this banner that says like Ada Slime Shop. It fell out of her backpack today on the way to school. So I think she's selling slime at school again. It's like a slime, you don't think anything's going on at school. Would you mind just like checking in on her a couple times today and making sure, just kind of be my spy?
Of course, yeah, I'll take care of it. Real good care of the later there.
No way.
Yes way, I'm pretty sure.
How would she even get a banner like that?
That's what I'm saying, but it's real. You want me to show you? I'm gonna show you right now.
Sure,
I'm gonna get
okay. Alright.
Alright, I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Alright, thanks for reading my letters.
No problem. I just don't want her to get in trouble. Enough is enough with this whole slime thing. I'm done with it. Here.
What's this?
Open it up. Unroll it. You tell me what it is. I don't want to get in trouble.
I gotta go now.
Oh, okay. Bye.
Alright.
He was a little short on the phone. There's no way a 5th grader fashioned that together. For a professional.
Whatever. You're trying to pull a fast one on me.
Me?
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
You made this for 8. I don't know what you're up to, but it's not funny.
Really?
Yeah.
You think I'm doing this?
I'm trying to cook dinner for everybody, okay?
You're cutting up an avocado. That's hardly cooking.
Yeah.
I'm getting to the bottom of this. I'm going to search her room right now.
Good for you. You're not gonna find anything. Okay. Check a couple emails here. Oh, slime profits. Oh. Principal long sleeves? No, what? Why would Principal long sleeves be calling me? What's up, Principal long sleeves?
Hey, how'd you know my number?
I don't know. I guess caller ID is a modern.
Let me get something out of the way first, alright? First of all, I don't appreciate you laughing at my name. It's Italian. You understand that? You know what that means?
Wait.
I've been watching your videos.
You've been watching our videos?
Yeah, I seen them. Your little daughter running around selling slime, and I saw you laughing at my letter.
No, I wasn't.
There's two ways we can do this.
Principal
pal.
Longsleeves.
Listen to me. There's 2 ways we can do this. Alright?
Yeah.
1, I can call the cops and I can throw it out of my school.
Okay.
I can have you sent to jail. And 3, you
You
can
can
get me in
send
on
me
this
to.
business.
You can send me to jail for this? Okay. Well, listen, Mr. Long Sleeves. I don't appreciate your tone, and Ada's gonna continue to sell slime in school.
Alright, then you know what? The slime business, you can consider it gone. You want to play tough guy? You think you're a wise guy? You think you're tougher than a long sleeves? You don't know the lineage of my family, pal. Listen to me. When I get through with you, if you don't cut me in on this business, you're gonna wish you was in jail, you understand? You got yourself in way over your head, pal. So I'm telling you right now, I want to cut. I want in on the business. I want a controlling stake in this entire criminal operation. And I'll keep my mouth shut.
Alright, how much you want?
60%.
Not gonna happen. I'll take you down for that kind of money. Principal Long Sleeves.
Alright, I'll tell you what. Alright, fine. You gained like a little ounce of respect from me for trying to fight back. I even respect a man that can stand on his own 2 feet, you know what I mean? So here's my final offer. I'm gonna say, you cut me in. I've seen what the profits are. You put it all out on your videos. Real smart there, wise guy. 20%.
20%. Fine, I'm good with that. She gets to sell the slime at the track and field event at school. And field trips as well.
Whoa. That can expose everything. On top of the fact that you already got millions of views on a video.
Hey, Principal Long Sleeves, I don't care. You make it happen. I'm giving you 20%. You make it happen.
All right, listen to me.
Listen to me. You make this happen. You make it happen.
Listen to me. I thought it over,
Okay.
and I'm willing to accept your offer.
All right, good.
Your lip.
All right, she starts tomorrow. Slime will be in your office. And if we get caught, the blame's on you. Ada, I got good news, and I got some bad news too. Principal Longsleeves is on to us because he's been watching our videos. I'm not even kidding. Why would your principal watch our videos? That's so weird.
Alright, so Jesse's left the kitchen for a little bit, so I'm gonna sneak upstairs. It's really tricky because our stairs are right off of our kitchen. Right here. So I have to sneak upstairs as fast as I can. Because I don't want him to know what I'm doing, because you guys already know I saw him at the slime store. And he totally is acting like he doesn't know what's going on. Guess what? I caught Dad and Ada Bear buying slime supplies the other day.
Me too.
You did? You caught them? Did you see them sneaking them into the house?
Uh-huh.
You know where they are? No?
I do.
You do?
Uh-huh.
Are you gonna show me?
Yeah.
All right, should we check around in here?
Yeah.
The closet is where I found them last time. It was right up there, the bag of supplies. But I'm not seeing anything right now.
Let's check under my bed.
There's nothing in here. Do you see anything under your bed?
Nope.
Check under Ada's bed. You see anything?
Nope.
Nope.
Let's check in here.
Check in the YouTube closet.
No, in here.
Let's go in the YouTube closet. Check in here.
Just look in there.
Alright, this is the perfect spot because there's already going to be YouTube supplies in here. So she could easily disguise her slime supplies in here. Although I did get rid of everything in the house that is slime related.
Yeah.
And
But this picture looks creepy.
that's a Halloween decoration. I'm not seeing anything in here related to slime. I'm starting to give up hope on this whole idea, but I'm just really, really frustrated because I know
Let's check in the playroom.
there are slime supplies somewhere in this house because I saw them buying them, and there's no way they made that much slime within like
Should we,
2 or 3 days.
should we look in
Ada's
here?
downstairs talking to her dad. Hold on. What is she saying? Can you guys hear them? They're whispering about something, but I don't know what it is. I can't hear. Rory, look it. These are the supplies we hid last time.
Yeah.
I cannot believe they were digging into the supplies. They found them.
Yeah.
I
I
know.
see some more glue.
They never go in here.
I see some there.
All right, we'll get it all. Don't worry. Where should we hide it, bro?
I think somewhere in the YouTube closet.
In the YouTube closet? I think that's a really good idea. Let's find the perfect spot. They can't see inside of this one. I wonder if it's full already. You think you can fit that? Okay, put the bag of stuff in there too. Put everything in. They'll never look in here. It's all Christmas decorations.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, perfect. Good job. I know there are more slime supplies than that. We need to do a thorough investigation of Ada Bear's room.
Yeah.
Even better than we just did.
But I saw some more in the game room.
You did?
Uh-huh.
Okay, go get those all.
Come.
You hide them in here, and then I will check Ada's room, okay?
Okay, come on.
Rory, what's that bag? You see that bag?
Yeah.
Grab that out. What is that? It says Ada's lunch. Her lunch under her bed? That is disgusting. What's in here?
Let's see. Money?
Money? How much money? What? Where did she get all that money?
I don't know. Maybe like she got like sneaked in a.
You
Like-
think she sold slime to get this money?
Yes.
This is real money, Rory.
Yeah, I know.
There are $100 bills, $50 bills in here. We need to count all this. Okay, hold on.
There's like so many.
2, 3, 4.
5.
That's 400. $400. Okay.
I found more.
$500. $600. $700. $800. $900. You guys, there's at least $2,000 here. At least. Look at, we're already at 1,000. Just this stack. They have some explaining to do right now.
Why would she?
Wait. Calm down. We can't let them know that we found their money, Rory. You know what they're going to use this money for, right? To buy more slime supplies.
Yeah, like more.
So we have to hide all of this. We're going to donate it to charity. What charity should we donate it to?
I don't know.
A good one. We're going to find a good charity to donate this to. But first, we need to go find Jayla and see if she knows anything about this.
Okay. Put it back.
I'm going to put it back in the bag. Every dollar back in. I cannot believe this.
Ada, come here. Quick, come on. Let's go.
I'm coming.
Come on, quick. All right, come on. We gotta go to some place where we can talk. Okay? Can't talk down here. All right, come on, Ada. Hurry up. Ada, I got good news, and I got some bad news, too. Principal Longsleeves is on to us because he's been watching our videos. I'm not even kidding. Why would your principal watch our videos? That's so weird. But anyways, he's on to us, and it's kind of serious. He said he negotiated something with me. He said he's fine with you selling slime in school as long as he gets a 20% cut. So, are you cool with that?
Fine.
I know it's not like what we wanted. We're gonna lose profits. The business is not gonna be as profitable, but at least it's better than nothing. We can still get good enough profits to make this business work, so we can still continue to make money. So, let's just get. Where'd you put the money?
Under the bed.
Okay, let's just get that out so we can we can give the money to Principal Longsleeves. Give him his cut. All right.
It's not there.
What?
It's not there.
It's not there. Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Oh my gosh. Ada. Ada.
Yes.
I think Mom is on to us. She must have taken that cash. She must have found the cash.
I bet you Dale ratted us out.
Do you know anything about a slime shop business?
No. Well,
With Dad and Ada, and like doing a secret slime shop thing?
no.
Jay,
I don't.
I saw you with the bag of supplies in the kitchen. I found those supplies. I know what's up.
Okay.
I followed them to the store.
Okay, maybe they have been doing a secret slime shop behind your back. This
At
whole
school?
time. Yeah, at school.
Are you serious?
I'm dead serious. And I was telling them to not do it, but, you know, they insisted on doing it.
So is this why I found all this money? Like under Ada's bed called Ada's lunch?
They didn't give me my cut.
Your cut? Were you in on this? Like you were in, I knew it. I knew it. No, you're not getting any cut. This is all going to charity. It's
Charity can eat my butt.
It's all going to charity. All right, now you gotta be on my side though. We gotta catch them. We gotta bust them in the. I have not seen them make slime yet. Have you?
Yeah.
You have?
Yeah, I was helping them.
Do they have like a day or time where they do it all?
No, they just do it whenever like you're distracted, like doing something else.
Okay, so you gotta be on my side, okay? Not today, but like another day where they're not suspicious. You gotta say, oh yeah, I'll go distract Mom, okay? And then they'll go make slime and then you show me where they do it.
Okay, sounds like a good plan. Like I'll expose them.
You'll expose, and I'll give you like a 20 for it.
Yeah, you can just give me the 20 now.
We are going to hide this for now.
Why?
Until we figure out what
Wait, is this
charity-
all off of slime?
Yes!
How do they make that much money off of just
Girl,
selling
Ada's slime is high. She charges a lot for her
What
slime.
kids even have this much money? Like,
I don't know.
When I was a kid, I didn't have like $20 to give
You're
for
still
slime.
a kid.
Well, when I was littler than I am now.
I don't know, they be doing chores, but we gotta hide this. Find a spot in your room. Hide that, please. Perfect spot, thank you.
Because you can never, no, you can never trust Jayla.
Are you sure? You think she ratted us out?
Because we weren't giving her percentage.
Yeah, well, she didn't deserve her percentage. She wasn't doing any work. So we owe him 307 bucks. So tomorrow when you go into school, you're gonna hand him 307, okay? And we'll just give him a little extra, 320, okay? Bring that to school tomorrow.
Okay.
Ada, so I think we're good now that we have Principal Longsleeves on our side. I don't think we're gonna be running into any more issues. And by the way, Principal Longsleeves, he said that he'd allow you to open up the lunchroom and have your banner out wherever you want. So sales are just gonna go through the roof. Let's do this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to do one thing. Eat your pickles, kids!